गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम 10+2 की फ्लेमिंगो बुक का चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट करने वाले हैं, जिसका टाइटल है द लास्ट लेसन। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, द लास्ट लेसन इज रिटन बाय एल्फस डॉडेट। एल्फस डॉडेट इज ए फ्रेंच नॉवेलिस्ट एंड शॉर्ट स्टोरी राइटर। द लास्ट लेसन, it was the last lesson of the French language. The story is located during 1870 to 71. There was a war between Persia and the French. In this war, the French was defeated, and it was ordered from the Berlin, the capital of the German, that the German language would be taught in the schools of the Alsace and Lorraine of the French region. It was a shocking news for the people of the French, and the story is narrated by a character Franz, F-R-A-N-Z, and the story is about Mr. Hamel. Hamel is a teacher. The French was a student who was a slow learner, and one day he was given the homework, the rule of the participles, and he did not prepare, and he was getting late to the school. He was afraid of scolding by the teacher. He did not learn the lessons of the participles. So once he thought that he should bunk away from the school, he should not go away to school, and he should spend the time out of the school. He was very much attracted by the exercise of the soldiers of the German, and he was attracted by the chirping of the birds, and rule of participles were boring for him. But suddenly the French student had to control his emotions of not going to school, and he started fastly going to the school. And in the path, रास्ते में, he saw that the people were crowded in front of the bulletin board, which was situated in front of the town hall. All bad news has been there regarding the defeat of the French, regarding new constitution and commanding order of the German soldiers and German officers. And he found a butcher, the blacksmith. The blacksmith stopped him. You have a plenty of time going to school. But he reached to the school. The school was an elementary school. There was a little garden in front of the school, and Mr. Hamel was teaching the school, teaching the classes without the presence of the friends, because who got late today. He was very nervous, and he was feeling a sense of shame and fear, because he has to go to the class in front of the children. Moreover, the lesson was started. There was an unusual scene of the school on that day. Unusual scene, असाधारण वातावरण था स्कूल का, क्योंकि स्कूल में आज कोई भी हसल बसल नहीं थी, चहल पहल नहीं थी. There was no opening and closing of the desk, and no reciting lesson together by the children, and some village people were sitting at the back benches, which were always empty. And the scenario in the classroom was totally unusual, and Franz was highly surprised and amazed to see the scene. The people who could not speak and write the French language were sitting. Mr. Hauser, the mayor, the postmaster, some people were sitting there. They had come to respect the language. The teacher, Mr. Hamel, who had been teaching here since 40 years, and who has come to respect the nation and motherland, because it was the last lesson. When Mr. Hamel announced that it was the last lesson of the French language, these words were very shocking for the French, and suddenly he realized the importance of the language. Dear students, what a thunderclap these words. Thunderclap होता है very shocking. ये शब्द बहुत ही शॉकिंग थे फ्रांस के लिए. और dear students, French suddenly realized the importance of the language. After that, the teacher declared that the French is the most clearest, the most logical, and the most beautiful language in the world. The last day, whatever was taught by the teacher, the French listened very carefully and understood each and everything regarding the grammar, regarding the history, and other things. Moreover, the French changed his perception and attitude towards the school and toward the teacher. He always thought the history of the books and the grammar were burden and boring. But now he realized the interest in these books. He did not want to give them up. उनको छोड़ना नहीं चाहता था. And the teacher के बारे में हमेशा उसका perception था, he is a cruel person and he used the ruler. वो punishment का इस्तेमाल करता है. But now he realized that he was a nice teacher and he felt a sorry and sympathy for the teacher. Dear students, language is the tool of the communication. We can express our feelings, our sorrows, our troubles, our pains. If language is controlled by another country, it means that we are slaves of the under the another nation. हम दूसरे देश के प्रति दास हो जाते हैं, गुलाम हो जाते हैं. तो ये लास्ट लेसन था. लास्ट लेसन सब कुछ समझ में आ गया जो कभी भी समझ में नहीं आता था. और अंत में टीचर बहुत ही भावुक हो गया. टीचर कैसे भावुक हो गया? टीचर इसलिए भावुक हो गया, ही कुड नॉट स्पीक द वर्ड्स. अंत में उसने बहुत ही फेयरवेल वर्ड्स लिखे. वाइला फ्रांस, यानी कि लॉन्ग लाइव, लॉन्ग लाइव, लॉन्ग लाइव फ्रांस. जुग जुग जियो फ्रांस. विदाउट स्पीकिंग ही मेड द जेस्चर विद द हैंड्स. द क्लास इज डिसमिस्ड. सो द लेसन इज ओवर. ये लेसन कंप्लीट हो गया है. अब इसके कुछ क्वेश्चन है स्टूडेंट्स, मैं डिस्कस करना चाहता हूं आपसे. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, व्हाट वाज फ्रेंड्स एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड विद फॉर द स्कूल दैट डे. यानी कि स्कूल में उस दिन उसने क्या तैयार करना था. ही वाज गिवन एज ए होमवर्क द रूल ऑफ द पार्टिसिपल इन द स्कूल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है पेज नंबर 7 पे. व्हाट डिड फ्रेंड्स नोटिस दैट वाज अनयूजुअल अबाउट द स्कूल दैट डे. देयर वाज ए अनयूजुअल सिनेरियो ऑफ द स्कूल ऑन दैट डे. It was a peaceful morning, just like a Sunday morning atmosphere. There was no hustle bustle, no knocking of the rulers, no opening and closing of the benches. Even the village people were sitting there. The teacher was wearing a new dress, a green coat, a यानी कि black color hat, silky hat, and frilled shirt. Oftenly, he used to wear such type of garments and the dress on the prize or inspection days. So it is an unusual scenario. तीसरा क्वेश्चन है, what has been put up on the bulletin board. It has all the bad news had been put up in the bulletin boards regarding the defeat of the French, regarding the new constitution, regarding the commanding orders of the officer that German language would be taught in the school of French. Question page number 8, question number 1. What changes did the order from Berlin cause in that डे इन द स्कूल. स्कूल में उस दिन क्या क्या परिवर्तन थे. इट वॉज द लास्ट लेसन टॉट बाई मिस्टर हेमल. विलेज पीपल हैव डेवलप ए स्पेशल रिस्पेक्ट फॉर द लैंग्वेज एंड द नेशन. दे वर सिटिंग एट द बैक बेंचेज. द टीचर वॉज वियरिंग द ग्रीन ड्रेस. मोर ओवर देर वॉज ए पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस जस्ट लाइक ए संडे मॉर्निंग. दीज वर द चेंजेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पेज नंबर 8. हाउ डिड फ्रेंच फीलिंग्स अबाउट एम हेमल एंड स्कूल चेंज. Earlier, French thought the book of the history and grammar boring, and suddenly he developed his interest and understood during the last lesson. And about the teacher, he always thought him cranky, a man of rude behavior, and he was afraid of his ruler. But now he developed the sorry and sympathy for the teacher. So his attitude, his perception regarding the school and the school changed in this way. So dear students, this is the end of the lessons. I have discussed the key questions and brief questions that. So this is the last lesson of the French language and title is justified. Thank you.